Hi viewers, this is Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to my story page. Okay, so today I thought I will tell you something about a story connected to perception. Okay, just have a look at this picture. There is a lady, she is so depressed and she is standing in front of her car, and there is a guy with a cycle, and both of them are hugging each other. I will tell you what it relates to. This is the story about. Okay, now let me tell you. There was a woman. Okay, and she had only one daughter. All of a sudden, the daughter gets ill, and she will not know what to do. So she will consult a doctor and go to the medical shop. She will rush to the medical shop in her car to buy medicine, and so that her daughter will get relieved from her illness. So she goes to the medical shop and she will get medicine and come back with the medicine. Then only she will find out that in a tension she would have locked the car and left the key inside itself. So this will really happen. No, sometimes when we are tensed, it really happens in everybody's life. She will not know what to do because she wanted to rush to her home immediately, and she will pray to God. That is the ultimate thing we all do when we are in a deprived condition. Ultimately, God is we think and then we pray to Him. Like that, she will pray to God and send some angel to help her. And many people will be moving, but nobody will take care about her. And one guy, a young guy, he'll be coming in cycle, looking at her so depressed, he will immediately get down from the cycle, come near the lady, and he will ask her, "Yes madam, can I help you in any way?" Then this lady will be very happy. Then she will say, "My dear child, I'm in a very tensed mood. I have to go rush to my home immediately. I left my key inside and locked the car. Can you help me to open the car?" Then he will pat on her and say, "Mom, don't worry, I will open." Like that he will say, and he will open the car. She'll be so happy. Normally, that situation, when the tense situation arises and when problem is resolved, that will really happen. No, she will hug the boy and say, "My dear child, thank you for having come and helped me at this time of emergency." Like that she will say. And this fellow, he will laugh. "What, I am praising you, child, why are laughing?" Like that she will ask. Then he will say, "Mom, you are too good. You are telling me I am a good guy. I am not at all a good guy," he will say. "Why do you say?" Like that she will ask. Then he will say, "I have come out of prison only now." Like that he will say. "What? Were you in the prison? I can't believe it, my guy." Then he will say, "Yes, I was in the prison for stealing a car. So I am a very good, technical person in opening the car. It so happened that your luck I came today." Then again she will hug him so happily, saying that I should again thank God because He has sent me a technician to open my car immediately. Like that the guy, lady will say. Look at the perception. It varies from people to people. When at the time of need somebody helps us, even if they are bad, also we always think them as good. Like good Samaritan. Like that, that moment, we consider them like good Samaritans only. So this is what But from the other's point of view, they will think him as a thief and they will try to be little alert. Is it now? So the perception varies. But when they come and help you, do not consider them in a wrong perception. You take them in the right way, and you should always thank them. Is it not? And thank you for watching me, friends. We'll meet again tomorrow.